Working in a service way, what we've discovered, requires greater collaboration. But fortunately, because we were such a small organisation, there was a lot of collaborating working happening within the organisation. And again, having that buy-in from senior leaders was really important. So we had the senior leaders, our chief exec, actually introduce the idea of services to the organisation. And that helped to break down barriers as well. And then to further sort of break down those barriers and give people an opportunity to express what they thought and how this would work in practice, I run a series of roadshows going out to each area, rather than just doing a big sort of conversation with the whole organisation, actually going out into individual teams and speaking to those, because depending on what team you're in and what sort of work you were going to be doing, the service delivery model would impact you differently. So give people an opportunity just to have a think about that and raise questions and be totally open and honest about like this way of working. The other thing that I really sort of championed at that time as well, doing those roadshows, was basically telling everyone, I'm still actually learning. This is really new to me, and I haven't got all the answers. And I think one of the reasons why we probably delayed going out and speaking to teams, as a senior leadership team, we had many a debate about that this needed to be perfect, that we needed to launch something that everyone was going to be, we could stand it up and go, yeah, this is the finished product and this is how we're going to be working. And actually from being on the programme and listening to other organisations and the challenges that they were facing, it became really apparent to me that actually I didn't need to know all the answers. It didn't need to be perfect. And this was something that we could actually improve with feedback and buy-in from people within the organisation to actually create this and take it forward.